Hey everybody, it's me, Ivy, again, but a different device. So my iPad's over there, I was filming over there by my desk. It's still loading, or processing or that. So I decided I haven't showed you what I got and why I have this. So, and that's how it's the packaging thing, so I'm not showing it. Anyways, there's a story behind this wonderful package. And yes, that's my Halloween background. I hope you guys like it. Yeah. Soon later I will do my Halloween tour. Still in progress kind of thing. There's a little bit of fall in it, so why not? Anyways, so story behind this wonderful package is that I was sitting at home. I was like, okay, I'm eating this wonderful soup because it was cold and I just wanted soup for lunch. And I'm like, oh, let's check my phone. Let's go on Facebook. Oh, let's watch this lady doing her normal giveaway because she does beauty products. So she's selling beauty products, get people into this beauty product brand. And I'm like, okay, let's just watch and see. So she's gonna talk about what you get and stuff like that. And I'm like, okay, oh, those are cool. Those are cool samples, or what she stuff like that. And then she got a little bucket with the names and stuff, and stuff like that. And she tried to pull out a name, and the papers were stuck. So she got the name, and I'm like, looking, I'm like, is that my name? And then she said my name, but she can't say my last name. But she said my name. I'm like, what? I just want two things this month, or this year, I should say. I didn't enter. So I don't know if she just entered random people that watches or whatnot, or like their stuff, or I don't know. But I was like, oh my god. So long story short, it wasn't a scam or anything. Everything was she said but she asked if I wanted anything, because some people will do that with like, for example, Mary Kate. They probably ask you if you want anything extra and stuff, and usually you have to buy it. So I wasn't, I'm like, oh, okay, I'll get some things that I might, want to try. And I was expecting a sample of a foundation, because I don't have foundation. I'm trying to get into makeup and stuff. So she was very nicely showing me like lip colors and foundation colors and that kind of thing. And then their eyeshadow thingies too. And I'm like, ooh, these are pretty colors. Ooh, this is nice. And then she asked me if I wanted a foundation. I'm like, okay, but I wasn't expecting that I'd pay it. So now I know what the foundation is, and stuff like that. I didn't get the foundation because, I don't have the money and, that stuff. So she said, that's okay, you can still get your free stuff, and then all that stuff. Who, not trying to be rude to beauty or anything like that, but who thinks that a foundation has to be $50? Really? 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 So anyways, I'm going to show you what I got. Not the foundation, but the other stuff that she was talking about in the video. So, there's some things that I can buy, but not the foundation and stuff like that. But this is the brand. It's a beauty book, but it's Sense Cosmetics. That's how it says right there. But I'm not gonna show you the back because that's the ladies. But yeah, there's here. The good thing is that I really want to try this because the last 18 hours, these lip thingies. Anyways, the foundation that I was supposed to get. Like, no. I bet I was going to a drugstore getting way cheaper. So anyways, I really like the other stuff that I got. It comes in a cute little pouch. So I get the body sheet. Let's see. Oh, it's oil, absorbent oil. Little kind of case thingy. I don't know if it. Oh, there's stuff in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there are sheets. So there are blotting sheets in here. So there's that. Okay. Okay. And then I think she gave me extra. Yeah, she gave me extra. So these two are blotting sheet books. So they're just a bunch of, I think, or it's paper. I think it's paper. I don't know. It could be blotting sheets or paper. I don't know. But they're cute. Anyways, then I got 2 lip glosses. But I don't know the color. So, I got 2 lip gloss thingies. But I don't know what color they are. And then the last thing is really, really, really cool. It's this 3-in-1 cleanser for normal to dry. Combination. I'm mostly acne one. But it doesn't matter for me. And then, so I have the 3-in-1 cleanser, the daytime moisturizer, and then the evening moisturizer. So that'd be great to try, like for, of course, the fall time or the cool weather or whatnot. But that's kind of cool. So I'm excited to try those out. And the cute little bag. What's this red coming out? Okay. And that's all I got. But I hope you guys like this, my little unboxing kind of thing that I won on Facebook randomly. So, yeah. I hope you guys like this random video. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with an actual video. This is a video that's a bonus. So congratulations. You got 2 videos today. Yeah. Bye.